Here are the 10 best SUVs for retirees who need to stretch every dollar without sacrificing safety or comfort. Car insurance rates have skyrocketed 17.8% in just the past year alone, and the average new vehicle now costs over $10,000 annually to own. Smart retirees are discovering specific SUV models that can cut their transportation cost by thousands while delivering the high seating position, easy entry, and safety features they need. Let me share something that might surprise you. Paul Schneider, owner of Schneider and Associates Insurance Agencies, explains why SUVs actually cost less to insure than cars. SUVs tend to be cheaper since they're safer, which reduces injury claims. An SUV is less likely to suffer major damage in a crash with a car. Fewer and less severe claims mean lower costs for insurers to cover. The numbers back this up, and the average SUV insurance rate is $107 per month, compared to the national average of $136 per month for all vehicles. But here's what most retirees don't realize when they're shopping. Insurance is just one piece of the puzzle. According to Janice Yoel, Senior Manager of Valuations for Kelley Blue Book, many car shoppers would be shocked if they understood that cost of ownership can vary in staggering amounts from one vehicle to the next, potentially to the tune of thousands of dollars over time. That's exactly what we're going to break down today. The real costs that matter most when you're living on a fixed income. We'll examine insurance premiums, maintenance expenses, fuel efficiency, and even tire costs across the most popular SUV models for 2025. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which SUVs offer the best value and which ones could drain your retirement savings. Let's start with the foundation of smart SUV shopping for retirees. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety makes this clear, and vehicle weight and size are important factors in predicting survival in a crash. Many seniors think they should downsize to a small retirement car, but larger vehicles like SUVs with good safety ratings are proven to be better at preventing crashes and fatalities. This is why choosing an SUV makes sense beyond just comfort. You're getting the elevated seating position that improves visibility, the easy entry and exit that saves your joints, and the safety advantage that comes with size, all while potentially paying less for insurance than you would with a sedan. Now, let's examine the specific models that deliver the best value. I've analyzed current data on insurance costs, maintenance expenses, fuel efficiency, and purchase prices to identify the clear winners for budget-conscious retirees. Starting with our most affordable options under $25,000, the 2025 Hyundai Venue leads the pack at just $21,650. This subcompact SUV has earned recognition as having the lowest ownership costs in its class. The Venue delivers 30 miles per gallon, and its simple design means fewer complex systems that can break down and cost money to repair. Right behind it is the completely redesigned 2025 Chevrolet Trax, starting at $21,700. One automotive expert noted that this small SUV excels with low running costs and minimal maintenance needs. Yes, it's remarkably simple with minimal luxury features, but that simplicity translates directly into lower long-term costs. The Trax offers 5 trim levels, topping out at just $25,400 for the most expensive active version. The 2025 Nissan Kicks deserves special attention at $22,430. It was actually named Best Budget Car of the Year for 2025, and it now comes with an available all-wheel drive option that wasn't offered before. This gives you better traction in weather while maintaining excellent fuel economy. Moving up to our mid-range recommendations, the Honda HR-V at $25,400 stands out for a crucial reason. It's the absolute cheapest SUV to insure. CarEdge estimates the HR-V's maintenance costs over 10 years at just $5,531, which beats the industry average for popular SUV models by an impressive $3,602. When you're on a fixed income, that kind of savings adds up to real money you can use for other priorities. The insurance advantage of Honda models becomes even clearer with the CR-V. The Honda CR-V is the cheapest compact SUV to insure, with an average annual cost of $1,932. The hybrid version delivers an EPA-estimated 40 miles per gallon combined, making it ideal for retirees concerned about fuel costs. As one reviewer put it, the 2025 Honda CR-V is really a masterclass in how to make a great compact SUV. Here's where things get really interesting for value-conscious buyers. The 2025 Kia Sportage Hybrid earned U.S. News Award for Best Hybrid SUV for the money. Starting under $30,000, you get EPA-rated 42 city and 44 highway miles per gallon, plus Kia's generous 5-year, 60,000-mile limited warranty and 10-year, 100,000-mile drivetrain warranty. That warranty coverage is on the lengthy end for factory warranties, giving you peace of mind that major repair costs are covered well into your retirement. The Toyota RAV4 deserves its reputation as the best-selling SUV in America. This SUV puts utility and practicality first while keeping costs low. The RAV4 has an annual repair cost of just $367 per year, compared to $473 for other vehicles in the same segment and $591 for all vehicles evaluated by RepairPal. Over 10 years, CarEdge estimates the RAV4's maintenance cost to be $2,430 below average for its class. For those prioritizing maximum fuel efficiency, the 2025 Kia Niro delivers the best gas mileage of any SUV. The LX, EX, and SX models with standard 16-inch wheels deliver a fuel-sipping 53 miles per gallon. As the most fuel-efficient small SUV on the market, it's spacious, affordably priced, and wildly efficient, returning 53 mpg in the city and 54 mpg on the highway. If you're looking at non-hybrid options, the Nissan Rogue ties for the best gas mileage without a hybrid engine. This midsize SUV gets 30 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on highways, making it cheaper to fill up compared to other SUVs in its class. The Subaru Forester earns special mention for senior-friendly features. It boasts excellent outward visibility thanks to some of the largest windows of any compact SUV, and its interior is clearly laid out and easy to use. The Forester's large door openings make it easy to get in and out, which is crucial if you have mobility concerns. Starting at $29,695, it comes standard with all-wheel drive and earned the top Safety Pick Plus rating, the highest rating a vehicle can earn from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson won U.S. News Awards for Best Compact SUV for the Money and Best Compact SUV for Families. If you're looking strictly at the annual cost of insurance, maintenance, and refueling, the Tucson is often the clear winner. It's roomy, comfortable, and well-equipped even in its sub-$30,000 base form, though at $29,200, it just makes our affordability cut off. Now let's talk about the hidden costs that can make or break your budget. Tire replacement is one expense many retirees don't factor into their calculations, but it can be significant. Vehicle size directly impacts tire costs, with small cars requiring $80 to $150 per tire, while large SUVs need $140 to $500 per tire. Here's the strategy that saves money long-term. Premium brands like Michelin, Bridgestone, or Goodyear typically cost more, ranging from $150 to $400 per tire, but they offer superior quality and longer lifespans. These premium tires last 50,000 to 70,000 miles compared to 30,000 to 40,000 miles for budget options. When you factor in the labor costs for more frequent replacements, premium tires often provide better value. Expect to pay $15 to $45 per tire for professional installation, which includes mounting, balancing, and disposal of old tires. Wheel alignment costs $75 to $150 and is often recommended to ensure your new tires wear evenly. Some shops charge $2 to $4 per tire for disposal fees. Consumer Reports Tire Program Manager Ryan Pszczolkowski offers this advice. The key is to prepare for tire replacement before it becomes an urgent need by selecting the ideal replacement tire, choosing a good retailer, and then looking for rebates or discounts. Insurance costs have been climbing dramatically, but there are strategies to keep them manageable. Car insurance rates rose 17.4% from 2022 to 2023, then another 17.8% from 2023 to 2024. Rates continued rising in 2025, up 11% year-over-year in March. For retirees, this makes choosing the right vehicle even more critical. USAA, State Farm, and Geico consistently offer the cheapest auto insurance rates for SUVs. For seniors specifically, AARP, Progressive, and Geico provide the best coverage, starting at just $42 per month. AARP offers personalized service, Progressive provides multiple safe driving discounts, and Geico delivers budget-friendly rates. Here's a discount most seniors don't know about. MoneyGeek's analysis found that 35 jurisdictions require insurers to offer 5% to 15% discounts to seniors who complete approved defensive driving courses, usually starting at age 55. You can save anywhere from 10% to 35% on your policy just by taking a safety driving course. Nationwide offers low-mileage discounts of up to 40% for seniors who don't drive frequently. Multi-policy bundling discounts can provide additional savings. Many insurance companies now offer usage-based insurance or pay-per-mile options, which can be excellent for retirees who drive less than average. The key insight about smaller versus larger SUVs might surprise you. Insurance costs for smaller SUVs are $198 less per year than for larger ones. SUVs under 106.5 inches long have an average insurance cost of $2,893, while longer ones average $3,091 per year. 2 out of 3 SUVs with the highest premiums, the Jeep Grand Cherokee and Toyota 4Runner, are standard-sized SUVs. Let's look at the real-world numbers for total cost of ownership. I've calculated estimated 5-year ownership costs for our recommended SUVs, including purchase price, insurance, maintenance, and fuel costs. The Hyundai Venue leads with approximately $31,000 in total 5-year costs. The Chevrolet Trax comes in around $32,000. The Honda HR-V, despite its higher purchase price, totals about $35,000 thanks to the lowest insurance costs in its class. Moving up the price range, the Kia Sportage Hybrid estimates around $38,000 for 5 years, while the Subaru Forester comes in at approximately $40,000. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid and Honda CR-V Hybrid both estimate around $42,000 to $43,000 for 5-year ownership. These numbers assume average driving of 12,000 miles per year and include purchase price, insurance, maintenance, and fuel costs. Your actual costs may vary based on your driving habits, location, and chosen trim level. For seniors prioritizing the absolute lowest costs, the budget trio of Venue, Trax, and Kicks offers the best value. All 3 start under $23,000, deliver around 30 miles per gallon, and have simple designs that minimize maintenance complexity. For those who can spend slightly more for better long-term value, the Honda HR-V and CR-V offer the lowest insurance costs in their classes. The HR-V's 10-year maintenance costs beat the industry average by over $3,600, while the CR-V Hybrid delivers 40 miles per gallon for excellent fuel economy. The Toyota RAV4 remains the gold standard for reliability and resale value. Its annual maintenance cost of $367 is exceptionally low, and its strong resale value helps offset the higher purchase price. The hybrid version delivers 40 miles per gallon while maintaining Toyota's reputation for longevity. For maximum fuel efficiency, the Kia Niro's 53 miles per gallon is unmatched among SUVs. This translates to significant savings at the gas pump, especially important as fuel prices remain volatile. The Subaru Forester offers unique value for seniors who prioritize visibility and ease of use. Its large windows and simple controls make it one of the most senior-friendly SUVs available, while standard all-wheel drive provides confidence in various weather conditions. Here are the key factors to prioritize when making your decision. First, focus on models with the lowest insurance costs, and Honda CR-V, Honda HR-V, and Volkswagen Tiguan lead this category. Second, prioritize fuel efficiency if you drive frequently. The Kia Niro, RAV4 Hybrid, and CR-V Hybrid deliver the best mileage. Third, consider maintenance costs over the vehicle's life. Toyota and Honda consistently rank lowest for long-term maintenance expenses. Fourth, don't overlook warranty coverage, and Kia and Hyundai offer the most generous factory warranties, providing peace of mind for major repairs. The Subaru Forester, Honda CR-V, and Toyota RAV4 excel in these areas. The bottom line for budget-conscious retirees is this: the right SUV choice can save you thousands of dollars over 5 years of ownership while providing the safety, comfort, and convenience you need. The models I've highlighted offer the best combination of low insurance costs, minimal maintenance expenses, excellent fuel economy, and senior-friendly features. Start by getting insurance quotes for your top choices before making a final decision. Rates can vary significantly based on your location, driving record, and chosen coverage levels. Take advantage of senior discounts, consider usage-based insurance if you drive infrequently, And don't forget about defensive driving course discounts that can save up to 35% on your premiums. Remember, the cheapest SUV to buy isn't always the cheapest to own. By focusing on total cost of ownership, including insurance, maintenance, fuel, and depreciation, you'll make a decision that protects your retirement budget while keeping you safely on the road for years to come.